Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly, and suddenly your transmission starts slipping, or your car refuses to shift properly. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and boom, code P0986 appears. This means there's a problem with Shift Solenoid H control circuit low, which can lead to delayed shifting, transmission failure, or even getting stuck in one gear. In this video I'll explain what P0986 means, where to locate the crucial sensors, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0986? DTC P0986 stands for Shift Solenoid H Control Circuit Low. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, sends electrical signals to shift solenoids which control fluid pressure for gear changes. If the circuit for solenoid H has low voltage, the transmission won't shift correctly, leading to poor performance or even limp mode. Symptoms of P0986. If your car has this code, you might experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, car stuck in one gear, limp mode. Check engine, light or transmission warning light, slipping transmission, unusual RPM fluctuations, sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0986, check these key components. Shift solenoid H, location, inside the transmission valve body, underneath the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls fluid pressure for smooth gear engagement. Transmission control module, TCM, location, typically found near the battery, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission case. Function, sends voltage signals to shift solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the hydraulic lines. Function, monitors pressure and ensures correct shifts. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. Location, runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function, transmits electrical signals to the solenoid. What causes P0986? The most common reasons for this error include 1. Faulty shift solenoid H, not receiving or responding to signals. 2. Wiring issues, corroded, broken or loose wiring in the solenoid circuit. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 4. Low or contaminated transmission fluid causing hydraulic issues. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect data to the TCM. How to fix P0986? Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If low or dirty, replace it with the correct automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or loose wires around the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test the shift solenoid, H. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for additional transmission-related codes. If necessary, update or replace the TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0986 code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If you see P0986, it means your shift solenoid H circuit has low voltage, affecting your transmission. Fixing it early will save you from expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0839 4-wheel drive, 4WD. Switch circuit low, P0840 transmission fluid pressure sensor circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.